We have learned multiplication in earlier session, multiplication of integers. Let's write one multiplication of integer here. -3 multiplied by +5 is equal to -15. Now, every multiplication statement has two division statements. Now, let's see what they are. When we say -3 multiplied by +5 is -15, that means if we divide -15 by any of these multipliers here, any of them will get the second multiplier. So the first division statement here is -15 divided by, let's say, -3 will give us answer +5. So what I have done is, so if I divide the answer of the multiplication, okay, so answer of multiplication -15, if I divide that by any of the multipliers, if any of the multipliers I use to divide it, so here I have used -3, one multiplier, then I will get the second multiplier as the answer. So the second division statement is -15 divided by +5 is equal to -3. So now if you see here, again, -15, I've got it down here. And if I divide -15 by +5, one of the multipliers here, then what I get is, as the answer, I get the second multiplier. So we say that every multiplication statement has two division statements associated with it. So let's see one more example. +7 multiplied by -4 answer is 7 into 4. We have to multiply the weight. 7 into 4 is 28. And for sign plus and minus, different sign gives us negative sign. Negative. So we have here, I've deliberately put it in different colors. One multiplier +7, another multiplier -4, and the answer is -28. Now this is going to result into two division statements. So the first division statement is -28. I'll also write the second one here, -28. -28 divided by, so divided by, now what I'm going to write here is, here I'm going to write one of the multipliers here. So let's say if I write -4 here, if I take -4 down here, -4, then the answer is going to be the second multiplier, which is +7. And if I write +7 here, then answer is going to be -4. So every multiplication statement has two division statements. And in division, we follow the same rule of signs. If here, if you see both the numbers have negative sign, same sign results into positive. Here, one negative, one positive, different signs result into negative. (13) divided by, in bracket, -2 plus 1. So that is equal to, we'll keep the 13 first. As per BODMAS, what we have to do first is, we have to solve the bracket. So let's solve the bracket. In bracket, it is -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 is going to give us different signs, means operation we have to do is subtraction. And subtraction of 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer comes here 1. and answer gets sign of the greater number. In this case, it is -2. The sign is minus. So minus. So 13 divided by -1. Now 13 divided by -1, let's do the division of the weights. 13 divided by 1 is 13. And let's find what is the sign of the answer. Here it is plus, here it is minus. Different signs means answer is negative. So the answer of this is -30. Let's do H. Minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So again, as per BODMAS, we have to solve the bracket first. So -36 divided by 12. Now we will divide only the weights. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. And now here one number is negative, one is positive. Different signs means the answer is going to get minus sign. So -3 divided by 3. Now again, here we have to divide the weights. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Again, we have different signs. One minus sign here, and here is a plus sign, because no sign is plus sign. Minus plus different signs gives us negative, and hence answer is -1. Let's solve the fill in the blanks. Let's take first one. 369 divided by something is equal to 369. Now we know that the dividend and the result are same, which means we are supposed to be dividing by the divisive identity, and divisive identity is +1. So our answer is +1. Let's take G. 20 divided by is equal to -2. So 20 divided by something is going to be 2. So 20 divided by 10 is going to be 2. Now let's talk about the sign. The sign of the answer is negative, which means the sign of the dividend and divisor have to be different. Here the sign of 20 is plus because there is no sign. It is plus, which means sign of the divisor has to be minus. So the answer is -10.